In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a bank reconciliation in Zoho Books. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or a small business owner just getting familiar with bookkeeping, ensuring your financial records align with your bank statements is crucial. Let's dive into how you can easily manage this in Zoho Books. First, you'll want to head to the banking module within Zoho Books. After logging into your account, look to the left sidebar where you'll find the banking section. Click on it, and from there, select the specific bank account you need to reconcile. This step is essential because having the correct account opens up the pathway for precise reconciliation. Once you're in, the next step is to initiate the reconciliation process. In the top right corner of the banking screen, you'll see a gear icon. Click on it and then choose Reconcile Account from the drop-down menu. After that, press the Initiate Reconciliation button to get started. This effectively sets the stage for inputting your data and ensuring everything matches up. For the third step, it's time to enter your statement information. Here, you will need the start and end dates from your bank statement, as well as the closing balance. Having your bank statement ready at this point is crucial. It'll make sure you enter the correct information and set up the rest of the process smoothly. Now, with your statement details entered, Zoho Books will use its Smart Matching feature to suggest potential matches between the transactions in your bank feed and the entries you already have in the system. For transactions that match, simply click Match to link them. This can be relevant for things like invoice payments or bill settlements. If a transaction is on your bank statement but doesn't exist in Zoho Books just yet, such as bank fees or interest, select Categorize to create a corresponding entry. This helps maintain the accuracy of your records. Sometimes, you might encounter transactions that don't automatically match existing records. For these, click on Add Transaction to manually input the details. This step is particularly useful for recording overlooked bank charges or interest you forgot to account for initially. As you proceed, it's vital to review discrepancies. Once matching and categorizing is complete, take a look at the difference field. Ideally, this should be 0. Should there be a discrepancy, take a moment to go over outstanding transactions or unrecorded bank fees to identify and correct any errors. Lastly, once everything reconciles and the difference is at 0, go ahead and click the Reconcile button to finalize the process. This action will lock the period, safeguarding your records from accidental changes and ensuring your financial documentation is as accurate as possible. And there you have it. With these steps, reconciling your bank transactions in Zoho Books becomes a straightforward task. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.